Introducing the Google Pixel 5, the ultimate 5G Android phone that combines speed, versatility, and convenience. With its unlocked feature, you have the freedom to choose your own carrier and data plan, whether it's T-Mobile, Sprint, AT&T, Verizon, or any other major carrier. 1. The Pixel 5 offers blazing fast 5G capabilities. 2. Allowing you to download a movie in seconds. 3. And enjoy smooth streaming in ultra-clear HD. It even lets you play games at home and on the go. 4. And share your 5G speed with friends. 5. Experience the convenience of wireless charging with the Pixel 5. Not only can it wirelessly charge your cell phone. 6. But it can also wirelessly charge other Qi-certified devices. 7. And with its all-day battery life and extreme battery saver, it can last up to 48 hours. 8. When it comes to security, the Pixel 5 is equipped with the custom-made Titan M chip, providing enhanced protection for the operating system and sensitive data like passwords. It also automatically receives OS and security updates for at least 3 years. 9. Capture stunning photos even in low-light conditions with night sight, bring studio-quality light to your pictures of people with portrait light, and fit more scenery and people in the frame with the rear-facing ultra-wide lens. On top of all these features, the Pixel 5 is water-resistant, capable of being submerged in 1.5 meters of fresh water for 30 minutes. 10. It's the perfect companion for any adventure. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and compatibility with international outlets and voltage may require an adapter or converter. Get the ultimate Google phone with 5G speed and versatility. Choose the Pixel 5 and experience the future of smartphones. 1. Compatibility with carriers may vary. Contact your carrier for more information. 2. 5G speed and availability depend on carrier networks and location. Check with your carrier for details. 3. Download speeds may vary depending on file size, provider, and network connection. 4. Usage of cellular data for gaming may increase data usage. 5. Hotspot capability is subject to carrier plan. 6. Wireless charger sold separately. 7. Battery share may affect the battery life of the Pixel 5. Charge speeds may vary. 8. Battery life may vary depending on usage and settings. Based on testing with 5G connectivity and extreme battery saver mode. 9. Pixel 5 is eligible to receive Android version updates for at least 3 years. 10. Water and dust resistance are not permanent conditions and may deteriorate over time.